Hi everybody. I have a new pop-in I want to share with you, and I'm really excited about this one. I have had so much fun making it, and I hope you really enjoy it. So I'm going to show you the finished product first, and then I'll show you the pages for it, and then I'll do a separate video showing you how I put it together. So let's get started. So here are some of the little pieces, like that. These I just glued on there. And then you open it up, and inside here there's another little pocket. And then here's another little pocket right there. And then in here, this is a little pocket. Well, actually it's a little tuck spot. And then this big pocket holds some shipping tags. And a couple of these. So I'm just going to put those back. I love this piece here. I love the way this turned out. So this has a couple of different pockets. And those are all tags. This is a separate pocket here. And this has lots of goodies. And then you open this up, and here's a tuck spot, and here's a tuck spot. And these come off like this, and they each have a pocket in them, like that. And then another big pocket here with a couple more of these same type of pieces in them, and a couple of large tags, and another tuck spot here, and pockets here. So this, I love this coffee house one. And then these just go back in here. And then there are pieces in that pocket. And then pieces in this pocket as well. Oh, I got that one stuck somehow. There we go. So this piece has 3 pockets, as you can see now. And now I'll just move this aside and show you the actual pages. So this is what all will come with the kit. This page I've changed around so that it's not so tight down to the bottom. And that's the suitcase one. And this is the inside of those, wherever I got them to here, these ones. Excuse me, I'm fighting a cold. And there's that page, and that one. There is a ton of stuff in this kit. I think there was 80, something around 80 pieces of ephemera. So it is just huge. I just love that piece. I love the way it turned out. And these are the front and back of these pages here are these here, and also it's on here as well. So that's what's in the kit, and I will go cut these apart now and then I will do a video that shows how I put it together. So I look forward to you seeing that one, and I'll be back